Hey everybody, it's Jay with MotorcycleDropGuards.com. I'm here with my best buddy in the world, Christian, my little boy. He's doing the videotaping for us and he's doing a great job. We want to do a little something different. We've had a lot of videos on YouTube that we're putting up. We also want to say thank you for all the visitors we've had to the website, for all the positive feedback, and especially for all the orders that are coming in. And we're glad to see that people are taking their advanced speed or slow speed skills serious, because having slow speed skills on a motorcycle can save your life. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a stopped, balanced U-turn. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to ride up to the end of the line, stop the motorcycle, hold it balanced for a split second, and go straight into a U-turn of 18 feet. A lot of people think that this can't be done on a GL 1800, which is the Honda, but it can. So we're going to show you what we can do with that. Here we go. Try figure eight, 2 spaces. Thanks again for your support. Make sure you visit us. Get yourself a set of drop guards for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Basically, it's 1% of what a motorcycle costs to protect that expensive investment.